Alright, let's talk about something we rarely discuss when we are young and just starting to earn: health insurance. Now I know it sounds boring, but trust me, this is one of those adulting decisions that can make a huge difference in your life. Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you why every Indian in their mid-20s should buy a health insurance. Personally speaking, I'm 25 years old and I remember getting my health insurance was something I initially found quite challenging. I mean, at this age, I feel free, full of life and adventure. It's easy to think, why should I even worry about health insurance right now? At one point, it even felt like an unnecessary expense. But here's the thing, you should get one. It's not just about preparing for the unexpected. It's about understanding how to plan your finances and recognizing the power of compounding. Starting early with health insurance is one of the smartest financial moves you can make, even if it doesn't seem like it now. So, why should you get health insurance in your mid-20s? Simple, because this is when you are the healthiest. Insurers look at your age and health condition to determine your premium. The younger and healthier you are, the lower is your premium. Plus, most health policies come with waiting periods for pre-existing conditions. Getting insured means that by the time you might actually need it, you're fully covered, and those waiting periods are long gone. Health insurance doesn't just cover hospital bills, it offers a lot more. Regular health checkups, preventive care, and even coverage for mental health in some plans. It's like having a safety cushion for your health and your finances. Plus, let's not forget the tax benefits. Under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act, you can claim deductions on your premium payments up to $25,000 per year. That's money saved while staying protected. Here are some more advantages if you buy health insurance early. Number one, what most people don't know is that lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and heart issues are increasingly affecting younger people in India due to stress, poor diet, and sedentary habits. If you get health insurance in your mid-20s, you are not only covered for sudden accidents or illness, but also for these lifestyle diseases, often without high premiums. Catching these issues early with regular health checkups covered by insurance can prevent them from becoming severe. Number two, if you buy health insurance at 25 and don't make any claims, many policies offer a no-claim bonus. Number three, most health insurance policies have waiting periods for certain conditions, often ranging from 1 to 4 years. If you get insured at 25, by the time you are in your late 20s or early 30s, these waiting periods are over, meaning you're fully covered just when you might start needing those medical care. Number 4. When you are young and in good health, it's the perfect time to secure more comprehensive plans with better benefits. As you age, health concerns might lead to exclusions or higher premiums. By starting early, you ensure access to premium plans that might not be as accessible or affordable later on. Planning for the future isn't just about investments and savings. It's about making sure that what if something does go wrong, you're not wiping out everything you have worked so hard to build. In India, healthcare costs can escalate quickly, and one medical emergency could drain your savings faster than you would think. And then there's the peace of mind that comes with it. Knowing that I'm covered, that I've taken a responsible step towards securing my future, it actually feels pretty empowering. It's one less thing to worry about as I continue to focus on my goals, adventures, and everything else that life has to offer. So yes, I get it. Health insurance might not be the most exciting thing to think about when you are young, but it's one of those decisions that in retrospect, you'll be glad you made. It's not just about health, it's about financial security and smart planning. And trust me, the earlier you start, the better off you will be in the longer run.